Hi there, my name is Eric Coleman. I am the manager of the Eden Prairie TGK Automotive. When you walk into TGK Automotive of Eden Prairie, I would expect to see a couple of bald heads behind the service counter. We've got a warm, welcoming waiting room where you're able to hang out and wait for your vehicle to be serviced. We've got local berry coffee and soda if you're interested. A couple other things that I would expect are very experienced staff that have been doing this for a long time. Here at TGK, we offer free digital inspections where we take pictures of everything that we see. If there's something wrong, we'll take a picture of it, send it to your phone and your email so you can look at it and see what we see. We want to earn your business by earning your trust. One thing you should know about our staff is that we are non-commissioned. What we see is what we want you to get fixed. The bottom line is that we want you and your vehicle to be taken care of correctly. The Eden Prairie team has been extremely focused on raising money for JDRF, which is finding a cure for type 1 diabetes. Last year in a total, we raised just over $5,000. It means a lot to us and a lot of the people that are around us. To my friends and neighbors in Eden Prairie, if you have any automotive questions or needs, feel free. Come in, call us. We're more than willing to help you in any way that we can.
TGK Automotive, earning your business by earning your trust.